This is an overview of the CodeHS Foundations of Cybersecurity course for Texas. I'm starting on the student side. This is what the course looks like when a student logs in. You can see that the course is structured of modules, and within modules are lessons, and within lessons are individual activities. The structure of our lessons can vary, but here's a more typical lesson on cryptography. This lesson starts with an instructional video. This is where students are introduced to the content of the lesson and shown a live coding example. After students are done watching the video, the next activity is a short multiple choice quiz. This quiz serves as a check for understanding to make sure students understand the content of the video at a basic level before they start applying it through other practice. Because this is a formative assessment, students receive feedback and explanations to help correct misunderstandings. Next, students are given an example program that they can run, edit, and explore. In this lesson, students are learning how to crack the Caesar cipher using brute force and letter frequency analysis. The first example demonstrates how to crack the Caesar cipher using brute force. The second example demonstrates how you can study letter frequency of the ciphertext to help you crack the cipher. Once students have sufficiently explored the two programs, they are asked to answer some reflection questions about the benefits and risks of using the Caesar cipher. Now let's take a look at the teacher side. In addition to the student-facing activities, we offer a number of resources to support teachers as they deliver the course content to their students. This is the lesson plan for the student lesson we just looked at. After a short description and lesson objectives, you can see all of the activities in the given lesson. You'll notice that for the video, teachers have access to the slides that are used in the video. Teachers have the option to use the slides instead of the video, or they can provide students with a copy of the slides as an additional resource. You can also see that the quiz can be printed by teachers if they want to deliver it as an offline assessment. For any exercise or free response question, teachers have access to the solution and a problem guide that provides a more in-depth look at the activity. After problem guides, you can see vocabulary for the lesson, as well as handouts. These handouts are optional offline activities that teachers can use, and we offer both student and teacher versions. The lesson plan includes planning notes, as well as recommended teaching and learning strategies that may help in the delivery of the lesson. We note prior knowledge that's needed to be successful in the lesson, and we offer the video slides. We also provide discussion questions that can be used in the beginning and end of class, and we offer recommended modifications for advanced special education and English language learner students. And then finally, teachers can see the standards alignments for the lesson. In addition to the curricular resources, CodeHS offers a suite of tools to help teachers more effectively grade work, track student progress, and deliver high-quality computer science instruction that meets the needs of their students. If you would like more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at hello@codehs.com.